Hello, my lovely Pisces. Again, I have brought you love relationship reading for the month of April. And here, while taking out the cards, I saw that there are two people that are involved with you. So I have put a separate questions for them. So I'll be letting you know about that. Let me first tell you what are the prominent signs I have got here. It is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Pisces, Cancer, and Aquarius. Yeah, these are the prominent signs I have got. So let's begin your reading. The theme of your reading is Queen of Swords. So you are in this mode. You are not taking any bullshit, and you are really like it's just scrapping it up. Like whatever is illogical, whatever is not trustworthy, you're just cutting it out, and you are observing each and every fact. So this is your current position. Now, what happened with you in the past? These cards, I have got a clarificatory cards also. The first card is Hierophant and Two of Pentacles. They show me that you, with whom whatever you were involved with, he juggled with with someone else, and might have committed to that person, or your commitment was so much that he took you in a third party situation. Either you could be married to that person, or he married someone else. Then the other card shows that you were totally like taken aback by this. You took a U-turn and you just changed your direction and moved out of it because you felt a total failure in that. Also, you really started loving yourself, taking care of yourself. You shine like a star. You started spending more on yourself. You looked great, and people saw you like amazing personality. They were really impressed by you. Then came a new love in your life, and you must be deeply in love with a new person, and he is like bringing a balance in your life. Talking with him makes you really satisfied, and like it's clearing your heart. So now on the left side I have got card from your past person, and on the right side the card from your new person. The past person here seems really like stressed out. He is blaming himself. He is very much guilty about what he did in the past, and he really wants to come to you, apologize, and talk to you, and like bring you in his life. This is like major ace for me. Ace of cups more than ace of means more than ace of pentacles. So here he is coming with the ace of cups. He is really very much emotional about you. On the other hand, the new person that you are currently in love with, he is like really like taking care of your past person. He is not like a person to be like, for him you are the sunshine. You are someone so beloved, someone so like a star, so he doesn't want to lose you, and that's why he is keeping every action of the past person. He's noticing it, he's keeping records of it. And he's also, the new person is also a bit like, immature kind of person, like a child. Like, I really love my Pisces and nobody can take her away from me. So this kind of like personality I am getting. He's also like, he must have committed to you, or he is going to commit to you in future in the month of April. This is his energy. Now what is going to happen with you in the month of April? Ace of Wands is here, so definitely new beginning is there. King of Swords, like the theme what we started with was Queen of Swords. You'll, in the month of April, you'll be like becoming more, more like a king, more like a masculine energy, not taking any bullshit, clearing out all the dust, and seeing clearly everything. But I am also saying that you will not be able to take a quick decision about the new beginning, because you'll wait, because there's something like you're working on yourself a lot. You could be very much involved in your career. You have abundance in your this month. In the month of April, you'll be earning a lot of money. That's the pentacles. There are so much pentacles, and you'll be spending on yourself. So it will like, you'll be really like enjoying with the money in the month of April. And obviously you are taking care of the commitment that is being offered to you. The advice card, now here we comes to the advice card. Advice card is Emperor, Temperance, and Three of Swords. Sag energy is also here. So this is like, although you are shining, you are taking care of yourself, but then also you're not properly healed. The heartache the heartache that he gave you, the past person gave you, it was too much for you and you're not healed from it completely, but you are really trying hard to get over it. You are depicting, you are projecting that I'm very strong, but inside you are hurt. So work on it, heal yourself, and then take any decision. So my dear Pisces, this was your reading. Please let me know how you resonated with it. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Shrividya signing off.